Morning! I hope you're having a good day. I am. I mean, look where I am. It's so beautiful. So we are just off the coast of Croatia. We flew into Split where we've chartered a boat. We've got our gravel bikes on board and the plan is to do a lot of sailing, do a lot of swimming, snorkeling and to ride our gravel bikes on some of the pretty islands just off the coast of Croatia. So what day is it today? That shows you the level of relaxation that's going on here. I think we've been here a couple of days and we haven't ridden yet because there's a heat wave actually. But today we're going to go over to a small island, Bisovo, and we're going to check out a beautiful blue grotto and we are going to explore the island. It's quite small, but it looks like there's a bunch of gravel tracks. So we'll check that out. We'll possibly do some gravel riding on Vis. And yeah, that's it. If you're expecting pain and suffering and training and long hard rides, then this is not the right video for you. This is a bloody lovely holiday. I'm going to show you the sea. Look at the colour of the water. So the yacht is a Salona 38. I will give you a little look around later. Don't know if you're into boats, but I'll show you anyway. But for now, I've just got to jump in the sea. It is so hot. Just coming into Bisovo, I think, which is where the Blue Grotto is. We're doing tourist stuff. It's going to be really beautiful, so we're going to do that. And then we will brave the heat and do some cycling, I think. Oh, wow. Well done if you're still watching and you're into cycling, and we haven't done any. We have done our touristing now, so quick sail around the top of the island. We are going to Porat Beach, I think. We haven't planned an itinerary for this trip at all. It's all just kind of winging it. But I think we can go cycling from there. So yeah, I guess I should put my bike together. Of all the places I've put my bike together, this has to be one of the weirdest.
If you're on the aft deck, you'll be alright.
No, I'm worried I'll drop something in the sea. Like a wheel. All done. God knows what I'm going to wear because it is like 38 degrees out there. I've got cycling shorts. I just don't even want to put a t-shirt on. I've not worn a t-shirt basically since we arrived, but I don't want to burn either. I haven't cleaned my shoes since Africa, but never mind. Look where we are. Time to go riding. Gosh, it's like heaven. Heavenly. Beach bar. Hot rose. All I've said for the last 10 minutes is, oh my god, it's hot. Oh my god, it's hot. Oh my god, it is so hot. We've done a whole, drum roll please, 1.7 kilometres. Wasn't planning on just riding in a bikini, but I am dripping. What? I think we're going up there. Oh, hello. I think we've probably stopped about every 500 metres. It is so nice around here. Oh, it's so nice. me.
No, just not the
What? Yay! Well, Sam got a puncture just on the last descent, which is slightly annoying, but could be very, very much worse. But the best news of all is the bar is open and they have Aperol Spritz. Cheers, mystery man. Well, that was pretty mega. I think now it's time for a swim, so I will say goodbye. I probably should have cleaned the lens as well. Sorry about that, but hope you enjoyed watching this. Don't know what the plan is with the rest of the trip. We're just playing it by ear, so there might be another video, maybe there won't be, but I hope you're doing well. We'll see you soon. Bye.